Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see the applications of few properties of rational numbers with some examples. So the first question is, find using distributivity 7 by 5 times minus 3 by 12 plus 7 by 5 times 5 by 12. So solution. Distributive property of rational numbers states that we know a times b plus a times c equals a times b plus c. So here in the question it's given with addition. So you are taking the distributive property of addition. So now we can rewrite the given question as 7 by 5 times minus 3 by 12 plus 7 by 5 times 5 by 12 as 7 by 5, it's common. So we are taking it out, and that is a. And then the b is minus 3 by 12 plus c is 5 by 12. So now we'll consider only over the left hand side and we'll solve for that. Then we'll take the right hand side and we'll solve for that. We'll check whether both are same. So consider the left hand side. So that is 7 by 5 times minus 3 by 12 plus 7 by 5 times 5 by 12. Since it's multiplication, we are multiplying numerator and denominator separately. So 7 times minus 3 divided by 5 times 12 plus 7 times 5 divided by 5 times 12. So 7 times minus 3 is minus 21, and then 5 times 12 is 60 plus 7 times 5 is 30 divided by 5 times 12 is 60. So now the denominator 60 is common for both the terms. So we are taking and writing the denominator 60 off. Then we are adding the numerators. So the numerator is minus 21 plus 35 divided by 60. So minus 25, 1 plus 35 is 14 divided by 60. So we can simplify this 14 divided by 60 as 7 divided by 30. So this is our left hand side. Now we are going to see what we are getting in our right hand side. So right hand side, what we have taken, a times b plus c. So a is 7 by 5 times minus 3 by 12 plus 5 by 12. So first we'll see the parenthesis first. So 7 by 5 times, so the parenthesis will get the denominator 12 as common. You are writing it separately. Then we are adding the numerator, that is minus 3 plus 5 divided by 12. So minus 3 plus 5 is 2. So 2 divided by 12. So 7 by 5 times 2 divided by 12. Now we are multiplying the numerator and denominator separately. So the numerator is 7 times 2 divided by denominator is 5 times 12. So 7 times 2 is 14 and 5 times 12 is 60. So 14 divided by 60. So now we are simplifying and we are getting the result as 7 divided by 30. So here we see that right hand side is equal to left hand side. So we have proved the answer with distributive property. We'll see one more example of same type. So the question is 9 by 16 times 4 by 12 plus 9 by 16 times minus 3 by 9. So again we are going to use the distributive property of rational numbers. Here it is also addition. So we are using the same property, a times b plus a times c equals a times b plus c. So we are writing the left hand side, that is 9 by 16 times 4 by 12 plus 9 by 16 times minus 3 by 9. So and our right hand side is a times b plus c. So a is 9 by 6 times b is 4 by 12 plus c is minus 3 by 9. So here also we are going to prove the left hand side separately and right hand side separately, and we are checking whether they both are equal. So now we will consider only the left hand side. That's 9 by 16 times 4 by 12 plus 9 by 16 times minus 3 by 9. So if you consider the first part, we have to make the multiplication for numerator and denominator separately. So numerator is 9 times 4 divided by 16 times 12 plus the second part is 9 times minus 3 divided by 16 times 9. So 9 times 4 is 36 divided by 16 times 12 is 192 plus 9 times minus 3 is minus 27 divided by 6 times 9 is 144. Now if you simplify this, we'll get 3 divided by 16 plus minus 3 divided by 16. So here the plus times minus will be minus. So the new denominator 16 is common. We are adding the numerator, that is 3 plus times minus is minus 3 divided by 16. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is our left hand side. Now we'll solve our right hand side. So considering our right hand side as 9 by 16 times 4 by 12 plus minus 3 by 9. So first we'll do the parenthesis first. So here 4 by 12 plus minus 3 by 9. So 3 by 9 if you simplify you will get minus 1 by 3. So 4 by 12 if you simplify you will get 1 by 3. So the denominator 3 is common. You are taking and writing it out separately. You are adding the numerator, that is 1 plus minus 1 is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 times 9 by 16 is 0. So your right hand side is also 0. So your left hand side is equal to your right hand side. So we have verified the distributive property for the given question. So next question is, using the appropriate properties, find, so minus 2 by 3 times 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 times 1 by 6. So by using whatever the properties we are possible, we have to find the solution for the given equation. So first we will write the given. So minus 2 by 3 times 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 times 1 by 6. First we are going to rearrange the given question by changing the parenthesis. So minus 2 by 3 times 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2. This I am taking the positive out and making 3 by 5 as negative. Okay, then times 1 by 6. So next we are going to use commutative property of addition, that is a plus b equal to b plus a. So with that property I am changing this whole 3 by 5 times 1 by 6 as a and 5 by 12 as b. So a plus b equal to b plus a. So I am interchanging the place of 5 by 2. So 2 by 3 times 3 by 5 plus minus 3 by 5 times 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So now by using distributive property, I am going to solve the next step. So here 3 by 5 is common in both the terms. So I am taking minus 3 by 5 out. That is a times b plus a times c equals a times b plus c. By using that property, we are going to solve now. So minus 3 by 5 is common. I am taking out. So here 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So next step. So to make the denominator common, I am multiplying this term with 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So minus 3 by 5 times 2 times 2 divided by 3 times 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So now this 2 times 2 is 4, then 3 times 2 is 6. So here 4 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So the denominator 6 is common. I am taking it out and adding the numerator, that is 4 plus 1 divided by 6. So next step, minus 3 by 5 times 4 plus 1 is 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So now I am considering this and I am multiplying the numerator and denominator separately. So that's minus 3 by times 5 divided by 5 times 6 plus 5 by 2. So minus 3 times 5 is minus 15 divided by 5 times 6 is 30 plus 5 by 2. Now we can simplify this minus 15 by 30 as minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So here the denominator 2 is common. So I am taking 2 out and I am adding the numerator. So minus 1 plus 5 divided by 2. So minus 1 plus 5 is 4 divided by 2. If you simplify this, you will get 2. So the given question is minus 2 by 3 times 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 times 1 by 6. The answer is 2. If you simplify this, you will get the answer as 2. Thank you for watching the video.